Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to edit a product page on Shopify. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. Alright, so first up, let's go ahead over to the left panel and click on our online store. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead and click on Edit Theme. Now go ahead and click on Homepage right here as default. Now you can go ahead and click on Products. Add in the default product, or you can go ahead and create a template right here if you want to. But just for this example, I'm going to go ahead and click on Default Product, as you can see. Now here we can go ahead and modify the layout. You can click on one, or for example, the product media. You can add in a carousel, columns, and gaps. Also, when you go ahead and scroll down. And by the way, you cannot edit the pricing right here. Okay? You'll have to edit it under the product page from your Shopify admin dashboard. You can go ahead and rearrange the elements right here. For example, this picture. Scroll down, add in some padding. Just wait for it to load. Top, for example. There you go. Now, this one, change the text color if you want to. Should it be a drop down or buttons? For example, drop down right here. As you can see, there you go. You can test it out live. And by the way, in the left panel, you can add in some more objects or blocks. So when you go ahead and scroll down, you have the emails right here, or the email section. You can click on this text. You can edit it. All right, just like so. Or you can remove it. Remove. Click on the 3 dots. Remove. This one as well. Remove. Okay, now if you're happy with that, you gotta click on Save at the very top. Wait for it to load, and once done, you're good to go. That's how easy it is to edit product page on Shopify. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.